Disobedience workshops was an idea that we minted in 2020 at HUMA to really engage with the project of intellectual knowledge production, of scientific production, but really around epistemologies, methodologies, and to build an epistemic community, you know, and I should say lastly to center African epistemologies, but humanities tools and how to think with ideas, how to think with tools, how to look for concepts, theories, principles to deal with the decolonial project, you know. So they really, I would say, the heartbeat of the Institute in the sense that we coalesce together through around particular texts, around particular canons. We learn about the history of ideas, the history of thought, the history of methodologies, history of theories, and then we dig into the heart of the DNA of all of these, how to deploy them. And then we try to engage with the decolonial project. What if we were to take the decolonial project seriously? Because, you know, people don't take the decolonial project seriously. So if we were to take the decolonial project, what would it mean to subject it to empirical interrogation or to put it under the microscope? So that's really what we do. So we select key canons and think around this, debate it, critique it, and also as a collective. And we use that to build an epistemic community, to build particular values which define and shape all of us. And it's also a time for connections, it's also a time for break, and it's a time to write.